Welcome to Product Critique, where we bring you the best kitchen tools to make your cooking experience easier and more enjoyable. Today, we're reviewing the Zellini 6 PCs Rosette Iron Molds Set, the best wind buñuelos molds set you can get your hands on. If you're a fan of traditional baked treats like rosettes, buñuelos, or waffles, this set is a game changer. Let's dive in and see what makes this set a must-have in your kitchen. First off, the Zellini mold set comes with 6 pieces, including 4 different molds and 2 long, comfortable handles. You'll get to experiment with various shapes, from the delicate star design to the classic circle mold and a beautiful flower mold. The versatility of this set ensures you can create a variety of treats that will impress your family and guests. What stands out about this set is its sturdy aluminum alloy construction, ensuring durability and heat resistance. The long handles, about 9.84 inches, provide a safe and comfortable grip, keeping your hands protected from heat while you work. Whether you're using it for frying or baking, the handles make it much easier to work with than other molds that can be a bit tricky to handle. Cleaning up is a breeze, too. After your baking session, simply wash these molds by hand, and they're good as new. No complicated cleaning process, just simple and effective maintenance so you can keep using them for years to come. Now, if you're someone who loves experimenting with your baking skills, this set will surely spark your creativity. The interchangeable designs give you the flexibility to create a variety of traditional and modern treats with ease. From creating beautiful waffles to delicious cookies and even candies, you have endless possibilities to explore. This set is ideal for anyone, whether you're just starting out in baking or you're an experienced baker looking to add a new tool to your collection. It's not just practical, but also fun to use, letting you experiment and try new recipes in the kitchen. So, if you're looking for the perfect mold set to help you create beautiful and delicious baked goods, the Zellini 6 PCs Rosette Iron Mold Set is the one to get. Head to the link in the description to grab your own, and start enjoying baking like never before. Thanks for tuning in to Product Critique. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more product reviews. Happy baking!